Look at those buildings, those doors, those windows. More than 5 million people live in Nairobi, and 75% of them rely on unhealthy cooking methods. Now, imagine this. What if just 10% of them decided to make change? Can you picture the incredible impact that will have? It's not just a dream, it's possible. We are promoting electric cooking to try and transition the population to the use of electric appliances to cook. My passion for electric cooking comes from personal experience, having used this and seeing how beneficial it has been to my family. I can put my food in the electric pressure cooker and go back to sit with my kids, reconnect after a long day at work. Some of the advantages of cooking with cleaner solutions is the reduction in household air pollution. People fear that electricity is expensive, and we are trying to demystify this and encourage people to use these appliances. We do live demonstrations, and we are currently working with Kenya Power in developing e-cooking tariff.
Nilipoanza kutumia hii jiko, kwa mwanzo nilikuwa nadhani ni expensive. Nilipoanza kutumia nikaona gharama yake iko chini, inanisivia pesa. Nilipoona hii jiko, mara ya kwanza nilikuanga worried Kenya hii yetu vile stima zinapoteanga, nitafanya nini? Alafu nikaona ninapoanza kupika, alafu zipotee, ile moto iko inapika na inamaliza.
Clean cooking is not just about living healthy and having a healthier cooking environment. It's also useful for the people in the business space, especially commercial institutions and businesses.
Sasa ban huwa inafanya faster kuliko gas. Ukifunika tu sufuria yake ukiweka nyama, ipatie tu time. Kama 40 minutes na kuanga hiyo nyama imeiva. Imepunguzia cost.
The shift to cleaner cooking habits will only happen with the right conditions. Working with various partners is really crucial for our work. This change is gradual and it will take process, so we are just targeting at least 10% of the population by 2028. And as more doors open, we are not just changing our cooking habits, we are changing lives, our communities, and also the future.